This is my marble run for Jerry McMarble to go down and pass through 15 obstacles to get to Marble Sanctuary. And it is partly made out of Hot Wheels tracks, cardboard, and books. So first I'm going to tell you the obstacles. First we have the around triple twist. That's where he starts. Then he zooms down the slope of acceleration, goes under the mountain of blanketness, under the Great Two paper book tunnels, and as he goes on the ultimate turn of recklessness, he will be viewing the Xbox controller mountain and the Nintendo Switch historical viewing site. Then he will pass under the Seeking Eyes of virtual reality and hopefully make the Hop of Hope. He will land in the Lego Marble Collector and Dispenser, zoom through the Slide of Doom, go in the Mega Turn of Speed and Death, and then he will stop at the Double Barrier of Stop. Then I will remove the barrier, and he will zoom through the Slide of Doom 2.0. He will fly off the Jump to Heaven and landing the Marble Sanctuary. Now, here, oopsie, I had a lot of challenges while building this thing. I would probably say the Slides of Doom were the easiest because it was just down. But the main challenge I had was this turn right here. Because first I started with the cardboard and tape, but that slowed the marble down too much. So I had to use a paper plate and cut it in a special way so that it turned. And that ended up working out pretty smoothly. And that was mainly the only challenges I had with this one too. I had to put cardboard here because Jerry would fly off that part. And the Double Barrier of Stop, I had to put that in because if it wasn't in, Jerry would have went around the Mega Turn of Speed and Death and just zoomed off the stairs. So I had to stop him there. So yeah, now it's time to start Jerry McMarble's quest to heaven. Let's begin. Looks like that Double Barrier of Stop worked. Now, I'm going to release the first barrier. And as I release the second one, he's going to go down there and have a miraculous landing in Marble Sanctuary. Looks like Jerry has successfully made it to the Marble Sanctuary. Thanks for watching.